Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm back here unboxing the Caudabe crystal charcoal case. I recently did a review on the Caudabe synthesis case, so if you haven't seen that, go check that out. This case can be purchased on Caudabe's website for $36, which is pretty good. As I mentioned in the previous video, I love Caudabe's attention to detail, and their box is it's great. Okay, so now for the unboxing. As you can see, it's a very, very, very nice box. I'm just gonna open this. Wow, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful, I really don't even want to touch it, so let's just put it here. And so inside the box, it's just a brief description of Caudabe's warranty process. It also has a little card that gives a link to their Lucid Clear installation video. So if you don't know how to, put it on, check that out. Me, on the other hand, I'm just gonna, wing it and just snap it on. It also includes a small pamphlet that kind of gives a brief description also on Caudabe's history. All right, guys, so I'm excited to put the case on. So let's go ahead and get to that. Let's go ahead and put this back in. The case is just so beautiful. I don't want to mess it up. It has this clear plastic film on the back that it's going to protect it for, initially when you just pick it up. It also has it on the back as well, which is good. I don't even know if my phone is clean enough for this, so yeah, I'm definitely going to try to do a good wipe down on my phone before I put it in. So, wow, this is very clear. Looks great. As you can see, it has these little cutouts. I'm not really sure what that's for, but I like it. I don't think I've ever seen a case that was anything like this as far as the button cutouts for the volume up and volume down. This is very unique. Even the power button is cut out. It has this nice Caudabe logo on the side, which is chef's kiss. All right, I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and snap it on. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this plastic film that's in the inside as well. Ooh, that is so clear, guys. Whew, apple who. And guys, don't be like me. As you can see, I just roughhoused this. Oh my God, that's so clear. This looks great, guys. The button cutouts look amazing. Oh my God, how can it get any better? Caudabe definitely pays attention to detail. Wow. The lip protection, it's okay. Definitely could be better. But overall, it looks great. As you can see, it has this nice black MagSafe ring. So let's go and do this MagSafe check. It works well with my MagSafe Moft wallet. I mean, it's hardly moving at all. All right, now for the Apple wallet. It's okay. Actually, it's pretty strong. The orange Apple MagSafe wallet just complements the orange line in the volume marker. So that's another plus in my book. All right, guys, so I'm going to just go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what cases you would like for me to review next.